All right, guys, if you are watching this, it has been a couple months since I've uploaded. The car has gone through some serious changes. First of all, the biggest change that it went through is it threw a rod. Kind of it. That's pretty much really all that happened. I'll show you the damage here. It's kind of unfortunate, but now I am getting the AP1s built F20, and I am throwing it in this car with some Brian Crowder cams. So now it is fully built top to bottom, not even stock cams. I'm on BC00 61s, so it should be pretty serious. Sticking with the hood exit, I'm going next gen, probably a 62, 66, right around there for the Precision Turbo. Also changing the wastegate and the blow-off valve. Not sure which brand yet, probably Tile on the blow-off valve and Precision on the wastegate. That's no big deal, but we got some serious things in check for the S2000, including a T56 and an 88 coming up. So stick around and I'll show you kind of what went down and how it happened.
Okay, so we obviously have the head off. I wanted to see if the head was fine because the head was actually the only stock portion or non-stock portion of this car. It's right over there on the ground. Excuse the mess. We have a lot of stuff going on. I'll show you the Supra next. But it does look like the valves kind of made contact with number 4 here, which sucks. But what also sucks the most is the hole in the block there. And over here as well. It kind of got the starter a little bit, but whatever. You can see the hole right there. Not supposed to be there, but no big deal. It is what it is. The catch can actually puked out a ton of oil. It was just a lot happening, but it's fine. I know what happened and I'll show you.
Looking at this head gasket, that is the timing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you look at 3, that black area is not black in the center. Same thing with 4. And 2 started to do it. 1's kind of fine. So here's my theory. We lifted the head. It happens. The car was on 33 pounds of boost. No big deal. The RP head studs did not hold up as well as they should have. There's part of the rod, actually. Found that on the starter. But it's no big deal. I'm going to have to check these out. This is cylinder 4. These are the valves that might have made contact or did. I need to see if they're bent. But regardless, I'm going to replace them anyways. The shiny portion that you see there and around here is a good indication you're trying to burn a liquid that is not combustible, AKA coolant, antifreeze, whatever, water, whatever you're using. That's what was going down. So it's unfortunate, but all that happened, lifted the head, sucked in some coolant, hydrolocked the piston, sent the rod right out of the block on both sides and the oil pan. No big deal. I have a built engine for a reason. So yeah, I'll show you everything else. So the titanium hood exit is still looking good. Still gonna be able to use that, so I'm still gonna run it, no big deal. All the valve train looked fine. Everything's good there. I'm going to be making a new manifold because this thing was repaired and reused 100 times and it actually is cracked again. No big deal. Turbo's kind of dead. That might be going on the Supra, not sure yet. But all in all, I'd say not that big of a deal. To me, sure, I'm out, you know, $12,000 engine, essentially, because, yeah, it was a stock engine, but now I have to put a $12,000 engine in it, or I could spend 8 and put a low-mileage stock AP2 engine in it again, but that's just going to keep doing it. So we're going fully built and hoping for the best. Power goal is in the 900s, and it's going to be laid down through a T56 with a 488 diff, 1,000-horse axles. Things getting the sauce. It's also going to get an IC7 dash, some yoinking the S2000 cluster. I don't really care at this point. Thanks for watching, guys. If you stuck around to the end of the video, I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to be uploading a lot more here. I'm going to be hopping off of TikTok. I'm going to be uploading a bunch of stuff there saying I'm switching to YouTube full-time. No more TikTok videos. I'm going to be doing shorts on here. I'm going to be doing longer form content. You're going to see plenty of updates coming. We've got an EG hatch. We're doing an all-wheel drive K-Series. My brother's Mark IV Supra is becoming a pretty badass car at this point. And the S2000 going to be gnarly. So just in those 3 cars. I also have my AP1 that I'm going to be doing very soon as well. So lots of stuff coming up. But other than that, we will see you in the next video. Again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever.